Welcome home to this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home located in the desirable Blanchard community just north of Shreveport. Offering a spacious split floor plan, this home features a separate dining area, an inviting open-concept kitchen, and stylish finishes throughout. The kitchen is a standout with abundant cabinetry, large breakfast bar, farmhouse sink, decorative vent hood, and plenty of workspace for cooking and entertaining. The private primary suite includes a relaxing garden tub and ample storage, while the additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Warm neutral colors, modern fixtures, and attractive wood-look flooring make this home move-in ready. Outside, you'll find a small detached carport and a storage building, perfect for extra parking, tools, lawn equipment, or hobbies. Conveniently located with easy access to Shreveport.